In the middle of the forest today, I got a little surprise. I turned on the RC2 and then the Air 3S, but it didn't connect. So I selected Connect to Aircraft. Surprisingly, I see DJI Mini 4 Pro. Oh no, I brought the wrong RC2. Looking at the sticker I put on, it was easy to see. Okay, then I get to test if I can use this RC2 that I use for the Mini 4 Pro on the Air 3S. Searching and then a message of confirm connection to the DJI Air 3S and switch firmware to corresponding version. And then still searching. Okay, firmware updated. Still searching. And now I press on Unable to connect to aircraft. I press and hold the power button for 4 seconds and the aircraft starts beeping. Press aircraft beeped and then press pair. Connection successful. That's good, because I hate having to go back and couldn't film today. There are some restrictions. As you see, I've tried a couple of times because I didn't do a screen recording when I was out there. The message I got then was that I could fly with a connected device 20 times. If I should fly more, I need to bond the device on the new controller. Of course, I don't want to do this, so I just press cancel. And everything was good to fly. Coming back home, I checked if the RC2 controller for the Air 3S would connect. It started up showing Air 3S first, but it still did not connect to the aircraft. So I press on Unable to connect to aircraft and do the same procedure as before. Press button for 4 seconds and then press aircraft beep and then press pair. Pairing, just wait a minute. And then connection successful. Now it's back on again. I did try to reconnect again afterwards and now it works normal again.